Welcome everybody. This is V from V Worldwide, doing another unboxing here for you. So recently got the Galaxy Note 9, $1,000 phone. I needed something that could protect it. Now I've always gotten the Defenders, I've always bought the Note series phones. This just seems like to be the best protection, overall. I know it's bulky, I just like put up with it because I'd rather it just be protected all around, and to me these protect it the best. So we got the usual here, really solid body, rubber over hard plastic here. Got a little bit of flex in it. These here do come with a 1-year warranty on it. Drop protection, multi-layer protection, dust protection, belt clip holster, the belt clip thing I don't ever use it. This is it right here though. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the Note. Here's my Note 9 right here. Love this thing, man. Beautiful phone. Here, let me see. Here. Got the cutout for the new fingerprint sensor. When they moved the fingerprint sensor from here to here on it, so they got your little cutout for that. So here we go. Looks like this is gonna take some work to get off here. Let me see, but this is well worth the protection. You got 3 layers here, so you have to take the rubber off here. Flaps there. You open up this here, has little arrows here where all your tabs are. Just pull those open. There, here, 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 that. Grab your Note, camera first in here. You go here, pop this back on. Make sure you line your holes up right here. Let's see. All right, here we go. Just gonna kind of wrap around that. Click that together. Wipe that off. All right, make sure you got a good tight seal there. So it looks like we're good. So this kind of hugs the top there and kind of holds the phone in place. And line that up. Do the same thing here. So it's all wrapped up. Put that little gasket over everything here. And it looks like you're all good. There. Let's see. S Pen slot there. Pull that over. All right, we're all good. So there you are. Otterbox Defender. So always get the Defender. They have the Symmetry and the Commuter. They're both a little thinner, but looks like you got access to the S Pen. Easy access there. Bam. Otterbox Defender series, Note 9. This is V, and I'm out.